Want to turn off two-factor authentication for your Fortnite account but not sure how? No worries. In this quick video, I'll show you how to disable two-factor authentication for your Fortnite or Epic Games account. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to epicgames.com with your favorite browser. Then click on the profile icon from the top right corner of the screen. Now this page should load up. Enter your account details and click on Sign In. Then enter the two-factor authentication sign-in code you will receive and click on Continue. Then click on the profile icon again and select Account from the drop-down menu. After that, switch to the Password and Security tab. Now scroll down to the end and you'll find the two-factor authentication section. Here you'll find the two-factor authentication is set up for you, whether it's through an app, email, or SMS. To disable them, just click on the three dots next to their name and select Remove Method. For example, if you have email authentication turned on, click on the three dots next to it and select Remove Method. Then click on Remove Email Authentication and it will be removed for you. And that's a wrap on how you can disable two-factor authentication for your Epic Games or Fortnite account. If the video was useful, smash that like button. And if you want to see more Fortnite tips and tricks, subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching.